everybody? It is Ranger Marcus or Marcus Rareman, and today we are in southern Georgia looking for some salamanders and some frogs. Mostly looking for frogs. A big target of the night would be a spadefoot toad. So let's get straight to it and let's find some frogs and salamanders. Honed in on this guy calling, and we got a eastern spadefoot toad. I like this yellow on it. Like this yellow that is all around the eyes and stuff is pretty cool. It is raining a lot here, so if the quality isn't great, blame the rain, not me. You can hear the other guys in the background. So we're gonna go try to find these other guys that Nick is over at. All right, here is a second spadefoot. These eyes are so cool. Just like the western spadefoots that we saw in California on the video before I left, these guys are just as cool. There we go. And the first leopard frog of the night. Kind of small individual. Oh, well, he jumped in there. And our first toad out here. Pretty sure this is a southern toad. There's a spider on my hand that you can't see, so hopefully it doesn't bite me. But yeah, nice southern toad right here. Here's a frog for you. I think this is a southern chorus frog. This guy right here. He does not want to stay still for me though. Pretty sure it's a southern chorus frog. Another species for the night. So this is the next day. We're looking through some ponds, and the first thing we have found is a little central newt. Got some sort of tadpole right here. Kind of a big one. Huge water snake right here. Look at this guy. Look at how big this guy is. Wow. He's going right for the water. Look at that guy. Or if Nick is nearby and he's got a little extra, you guys could share. And he's gone. How did he plant this? I had a good feeling I was going to find some today. I was leaf blowing this line for a prescribed burn that we are going to do in a couple weeks. And I flipped this log right here, and I got a slimy salamander. Here's a better look at this guy for you. All right, I'm going to put this guy back under the log where he came from. There he goes. There he's gone. Our truck just broke down while we were going back to the shop, so I was exploring a little bit while we're waiting for the tow truck, and I flipped the roadside board, and there was a marble salamander under it. It's a really, really cool looking individual. I'm gonna get it out and take some pictures before this tow truck comes and gets us. I would usually guess this is a gravid female because of how thick it is, but this super white coloring on the back usually means that it's a male. So I'm a little unsure, but I know for sure that this is a marbled salamander.
Bro, stop poaching that crab, man.
We got 2 water snakes right here. One right there, and then one right over there. You can see that dark line there. Hey, this guy smells already. Oh, and he's gone.
Oh, he must be.
And here's the other guy. So that other one was the first one. This is the second banded water. It'll focus on the focus phone. There we go. Got a little spring peeper right here. Right under the water. Just its eyes are above the water right here. Cool looking frog. Always a cool frog to find. Here's another look at a spring peeper. This one doesn't have a lot of orange coloration, but it does have that X right there. Look at this eastern spadefoot right here. With the crazy yellow eyes. Pick this guy up from the pond, and this is him outside of the water. Yeah, that crazy cool yellow eyeball. Got some nice yellow color to it. And some orange speckling. Yellow on the tail. But the eyes are crazy looking. All right, releasing this guy back to where I found him. And he's not gonna do anything. And right before we were about to leave, 2 eastern spadefoots right here are in amplexus. This female, this big female on the bottom, and this male on top. I wish I would have brought my GoPro to get some cool footage, but this will do. You guys can see good enough. So we're at another prescribed burn here, and a Pinewoods tree frog. If I can get it, there we go. Pinewoods tree frog jumped out from the prescribed burn. This one's a pretty cool guy. It's got some really cool like yellow patterning right on the back of their legs. It's like a yellow purple color. I'm gonna get some really cool pictures of this guy with the fire. Very cool individual. And I like their eyes too. Those eyes are pretty sick. All right, letting this pine woods tree frog go on the other side of the unit. See you, dude. And another pine woods tree frog. This one also with some really cool yellow like flakes on there. Super cool looking guy. All right, let's put this guy over here. Put him on this leaf. Will you go on a leaf? Go on a leaf? No? Yeah? Ground? Go on the ground? I guess not. As I was sitting here watching this fire, I looked right over there, and there is a little frog. Some sort of chorus frog. I'm gonna try to pick it up before it gets in this water and see what kind of frog it is. Could be southern chorus frog or upland chorus frog, not sure which one. So what I actually think this is a spring peeper, and the reason is because there's that like X on the back there. So I think this is actually a spring peeper, but this is a super cool bronze eyeball, if you can see that. I like the yellow iris right around the cornea. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, that is going to do it for me this week here in Georgia. You guys saw a lot of cool stuff this week, including the eastern spadefoot toad, which is a lifer for me, a few banded water snakes, and an eastern diamondback rattlesnake. And to top it off for salamanders, we found a marbled salamander, some slimy salamanders, and some central newts. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Peace.